Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. In this video, I am here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful, very creative, different, colorful color combination of flowers and beautiful embroidery patterns of face masks. Friends, these masks are very stylish, classy and attractive at the same time. You can wear them for many purposes. That is, these are very beautifully designed patterns with heavy floral embroidery. You can use them for weddings, parties and many other events as well. And my today's video is entirely based on, most of the designs are on one specific color, that is white, or you could say as off-white, because this light color is a color onto which every thread color suits and looks amazingly beautiful. I hope that you like these designs. Now we are moving to the face mask designs that are worn by very beautiful models, so that you could get a very amazing and pictorial depiction of how these masks would look onto your face and how classy, chic and stylish you would look by wearing these amazingly embroidered masks. So friends, the mask embroidery patterns are 2-in-1. That is, you can make them by hand embroidery and as well as you can make them by using machine embroidery. These are very intricate and stylish patterns, and they are with very beautifully designed adjustable elastic ear straps, and you can wear them throughout the whole day for a very beautiful and comfortable look. So these masks are to keep you protected from COVID-19, pollution, dust, sun damage, suntan, sunburn, pollen allergies and any other type of acute and minor breathing issues. So stay blessed. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves and keep watching our content, keep supporting us, keep liking my videos and keep sharing my videos with your friends and family.